a series of 200 topics on speaking. Today's topic is hometown. Question number 1. Where are you from? I'm from Yamananika. Question number 2. Did you grow up there? No, I moved to the area when I was in high school. Question number 3. Is it a big city or a small place? It is a small city with many small and large firms. It is not wrong to say that it is a commercial center. It is known for its plywood, sugar, and paper manufacturing industries. What I appreciate most about my city is that it is incredibly peaceful. Question number 4. How do you describe the people in your hometown? My hometown has a warm, welcoming, and hardworking population. They take pride in their community and are kind and helpful to their neighbors. They take great pride in their hometown's history and culture. Question number 5. What do you like about your hometown? My hometown has a wonderful sense of community. Everyone is so amiable, kind, and eager to assist one another. I also adore the small town atmosphere and the stunning surroundings. Growing up in a community where you know everyone and feel like you belong is something special. Question number 6. Would you say it is an interesting place? That is totally up to you and your personal tastes and preferences. Its rich cultural history and stunning natural landscapes may appeal to some, while others may find it unappealing. It is ultimately up to the person making the choice. Question number 7. When is it a good time to visit your city? The best time to come to my city is during the summer months of June, July, and August. These months are usually the warmest and offer a lot of things to do and see outside. There are also many festivals and events happening during this time, such as the local farmers market, outdoor concerts, and movies in the park. The warm weather also makes it the perfect time to check out the many trails and parks in the area. Question number 8. Is there anything you dislike about it? The only thing I don't like about it is that it can take a while to set up, especially if it's your first time doing it. It can also be hard to figure out how to fix problems when they happen. Question number 9. Do you like living there? Yes, I do. I love living in this neighborhood. The community is friendly and welcoming. There is plenty to do and the scenery is breathtaking. Furthermore, compared to other parts of the country, the cost of living is relatively low. Question number 10. Has anything changed in your hometown in the past 10 years? Yes, my hometown has changed dramatically in the last 10 years. The population has increased significantly, as have the number of new businesses and housing developments. With a growing population of immigrants and refugees, the town has also become more diverse. Roads, sidewalks, and public transportation have all been improved as a result of infrastructure projects. The addition of bike lanes and public parks has also made the town more pedestrian-friendly. In addition, many new restaurants and shops have opened in the area, increasing economic activity.